Underway, unlocking the phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the English language to understand the phrase, underway. Whether you've heard it in a conversation, read it in a book, or just stumbled upon it, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear grasp of its meaning and usage. Underway is an adjective or adverb that generally means in progress, having started, or in motion. Think of it as describing something that's already begun and is currently happening. For instance, the construction of the new bridge is underway. The ship is underway. Let's see some examples to better understand its applications. 1. Events and projects. When a particular event or project has started. 2. The annual music festival is now underway. 3. Renovations to the city park are underway. 4. Transportation, particularly in nautical terms, when a ship has begun moving. 5. As soon as the anchor was lifted, the ship was underway. 6. General activity, when an action or process has started. 7. Preparations for the evening gala are underway. It's always good to know similar words or phrases to enrich our vocabulary. Some synonyms for underway include in progress, going on, happening now, in motion. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. 1. Misinterpreting the phrase. Remember, underway doesn't mean something is underwater or beneath a path. It signifies something in progress or motion. 2. Wrong context. It's essential to use underway in the right context. Saying, the apple is underway, wouldn't make much sense unless you're talking about an apple delivery. And there you have it. The phrase, underway, is quite versatile and can be used in various contexts, mainly indicating that something has started and is ongoing. We hope this explainer was beneficial, and next time you hear or read underway, you'll know exactly what it means. Happy learning!